about 10 minutes or so, and that'll de-energize the airbags. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes or so. Pop that. Just do the screwdriver. Alright. That works. Down around the corner here, you'll be able to get it away from each other here. Oh, shoot. Going behind it too. Screw underneath it. My battery on this thing is going dead. I've used it for 2 different videos. So, real quick. I can actually probably leave it right on my head now. Okay, tighten it up. That's tight. Put the one underneath and the bottom. And the rest of it's just putting everything back together again. Took apart. Cross thread the screws. Oof! Hard work. Now my head. Come on. There you go. Go. Okay, bottom one's tight. Bottom one's tight. Push your panel back into position and over. Gotta go over your emergency lighting. Okay, good. Bottom one coming in to hit with it. It's gotta go over your. Don't forget, it's gotta go over your column adjuster. Get it. Oh, yeah, yeah. Column adjuster. Rotate you back. Together. Put your screws back in it. Wait a minute. No, nothing in there yet. You got like 5 screws under here. Okay. Step. Putting this back. Putting your plate back together. Put your other trim over the top of that. Before we get shut down, these are all like 8. These are all 8s. Okay, start that one. Starting to run. Here we go. Now I'm going to put the outer cover on. Those are the push locks. And then you've got 2 more 8s. Go into here. Now we'll cut it out. I don't know what's causing that, but got a short there. And just going to get this inspected tomorrow at 10 o'clock. And of course, if the wiper blades aren't working, then it's not gonna pass inspection. All tight. All right. There we go. Yeah, it's got one more. That's all it takes to change that out. Just having sure you got a Torx tip. There's the multifunction switch, and takes care of that. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and definitely share. Catch me on the next Project Stang.